Hello everyone and welcome back to another video at Lazi-Low Collectibles, and today we have a Matchbox series number 70, and this is a grid spreading truck, and I think this is a Ford truck. I've got problem with the windscreen, but I think I might be able to find a replacement for that. But I really like this little truck. It looks pretty nice and cute, and I'm quite interested to do this one. And the car is alright apart from the windscreen, so there are no missing bits, and I think this will look fantastic after the restoration. So I would like to do this next. Hopefully you're gonna guys enjoy this video. So let's get started. So I've got the wheels off, and one of the axles are a bit bent, this one, so I have to work on that one. The other one is alright. So the wheels are off. So now the next step is to drill out them two rivets. So I've got the rivets out. So I've got the container off, and I've got the front bottom off, and I also have this broken windshield here, which has to come out anyway. But that's got a rivet. The screen come out in pieces, but I'm not worried because I have a replacement. So here we go, guys. I've got all the parts, so let's get started. So here we go, guys. Our lorry, greeting lorry is now finished, and I just want to show you what I've done. So I've done a little bit detailing on the body, obviously the door handles, indicators, the grille in the front, the petrol tank, and I think this is like a toolbox might be or something, so I've just done the grills on that as well. And this is the container on it. I've done a bit detailing on this one. There's not much to do on this one. There are no indicators on this one, and I used aluminium on the container, and I already done a little bit pre-work. I painted the front with aluminium, and I put the wheels back already, so I can show you like this. I painted the wheels as well to black, cleaned them and painted them. This is the other set of wheels, and because the replacement windscreen was cracked and had a small hole as well, I just cut these out from a smaller plastic, and it fits very good in the container. So I was thinking that I'm going to use this one instead of another cracked replacement windscreen. So let's put the car together and let's see what we have here. So I put the windscreen in, and as you can see, I don't even need to glue. It fits perfectly, and I rather not use the glue because it will make the windscreen look horrible. So this is good. So I can fit this in to the front, I think, which looks really good. And now I have to put the slider on, and I'm going to glue this one together, guys, because it was too slim to drill, so bear with me. Let me click this together. Glue on, and now I'm going to put this wheel on, and thankfully this is pretty difficult to put on, so hopefully I don't need to do much on that. And here we go. The car is now finished. So here we go, guys. The car is now finished. The glue is still drying a little bit, but I can show you that the car looks fantastic, and I'm really happy with the result. The little gritter is working, so we can see that we can get the grit out from the camion, and I think it looks really cool, refreshed. And instead of yellow, I painted the container silver, which I think looks more authentic. So if you guys did like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and also leave comments down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe as well. I appreciate every single subscription, and I would like to thank all my subscribers, old and new, that they keep coming back and watching the videos. See you soon. Thank you for watching this one, and take care. Bye bye.